I'm swinging around on it. Ronnie the Redhead. Let me see if I can, there it is. That's better. Hey, that's looking pretty good too. 3:45 p.m. on April 22nd. Very windy day today here in Massachusetts. So, yeah, there he goes. You want to get an idea how windy it is? You might pick up the other one. There's the other feeder with birds on, swinging back and forth. Hey, when you're hungry, right? So, and that is a cowbird, as if I remember correctly, when I was told. They're flying around and round they go. Where they stop, nobody knows. I think the one they're supposed to cut out till later, later tonight or something. Maybe not until tomorrow. But there's the bird feeder flying around. They're all kind of whipping around. Let me see if there's anything else to film. I may cut this one. Well, they're coming because they're hungry, just like anybody else would. That's it. Ciao.